In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for startups. We'll be setting up a simple startup pipeline from scratch so you can organize leads, track conversations, and manage progress more clearly as your business grows. A pipeline is important for any startup because it gives you a visual way to see where each lead stands, what needs attention next, and how close someone is to becoming a customer. To begin, go to the Attio homepage. Once you're there, click on New List. This is where you'll create a dedicated workspace for your startup pipeline. Choose Start from Scratch so you can build a process that matches your needs. When Attio asks you to select an object, choose People. That makes sense here because you're tracking leads and contacts. Next, name the list Startup Pipeline, then click Create List. Giving your list a clear name makes it easier to find later, especially as your workspace grows. After the list is created, choose the Kanban view. This view is especially useful for startups because it shows your pipeline as columns, making it easy to move contacts from one stage to another as relationships develop. For the title, enter New Leads. Then set your new status attribute and click Confirm. This status field becomes the foundation of your workflow, since each lead will be categorized by stage. Now it's time to build the stages of your startup pipeline. Pipelines work by moving records through a sequence of steps, from early interest to final outcome. Add these stages in order: lead stage, contacted, discovery stage, demo stage, proposal stage, negotiation stage, won stage, and lost stage. Each one represents a different point in the customer journey. Lead stage is for new opportunities you've identified. Contacted means outreach has started. Discovery stage is where you learn about the lead's needs. Demo stage is for showing your product or service. Proposal stage is where you present terms or pricing. Negotiation stage is for final discussions before a decision. Won means the lead became a customer, and lost means the opportunity didn't move forward. Once your stages are ready, add your first contact manually for this example. Attio also allows you to import contacts from a CSV file if you already have a list prepared, and a similar process can be used when adding companies, users, or deals. Type in records, then click Create New Record if this is a fresh new lead. Enter all the information for your new lead, making sure the details are complete and accurate, then click Create Record. After that, set the status to New Lead, and click Add to List. And that's the full process. Create the list, choose Kanban, build your stages, add a lead, and place that lead into the correct status so your pipeline stays organized from day one. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.